Today we are on Jalan Datuk Sulaiman 1, Taman Tun Dr Ismail, where the street is wide and the home is situated on a hill.
The home has been renovated into 2.5 storey on freehold land with extensions and A&A work done about 15 years ago. The Datuk Sulaiman area is the last phase of landed terrace homes in TTDI, which was completed in 1989.
And Jalan Datuk Sulaiman 1 is the last row of the terrace houses that was built.
There are only 36 houses on this row with this jumbo land area of 24 feet by 95 feet. This is a similar land plot to Jalan Datuk Sulaiman 2 and Jalan Datuk Sulaiman 5. I love the accessibility of this location. Just down the road is your turn off to Penchala Link, and down this road is towards Bukit Kiara Park.
And let's check out the home.
The first thing you'll note is that the original columns have been removed. Moved to the side with the beams enforced so you can park 2 cars comfortably.
They have also done up the front part of the home to include a shoe cabinet and a sitting area to wear your shoes.
For the sub-sale property market, we can divide the property segment into 4 categories. Category 1 needs rebuild. Category 2 requires A&A. Category 3 newer landed properties. Category 4 brand new landed properties. This home belongs to the newer landed properties. The average cost of renovation for Cat 1 and Cat 2 would be somewhere between 250 to 350 ringgit per square foot due to the extensive work that needs to be done. For Cat 3, you are looking at aesthetic enhancements and upgrades, especially since the home comes with high-quality finishing such as hardwood, marble, solid cabinets that I think you could keep and just do enhancement work. This would be about 100 to 150 per square foot.
With a built-up of approximately 3,200 square feet, you're looking at a refurbishment cost of anywhere between 300 to 480,000, including upgrading of fittings and fixtures.
The first thing you'll notice as you enter the home is the flat line layout. This is the ideal layout not just aesthetically because your home will feel extra wide, but also functionally ideal for elderly and young children.
The front area of the home has been extended. The diamond-shaped bay windows have been turned square for better depth and size. This means that the built-up area for the living has been extended.
At the foyer of the home, you'll notice that this portion is also extended with the hardwood flooring to ensure the living remains square and large.
The land area is 24 feet by 95 feet with a built-up of approximately 3,200 square feet. The home comes with 4+2 rooms and 4+1 bath.
The homeowners added an additional 0.5 storey with a bedroom and its own ensuite, so the top floor is self-sustaining.
They have also upgraded all the essentials like the roof, the pipe, the wiring, which has been upgraded to 3-phase wiring. Perfect for those of you looking to upgrade your vehicles to EV. So save for minor refurbishment, this 2.5 storey jumbo house is ready to move in.
The original broken marble is maintained intentionally, and I think that's great because it's almost impossible to find.
Being the first-hand homeowner, the broken marble was requested to be repolished the second time round by the original contractor because they weren't satisfied with the initial work. It is hardly surprising that even after 40 years, the broken marble is still in excellent condition. The living room could easily fit a 10-seater sofa set.
You could upgrade the aesthetic with a brighter, more neutral palette easily.
Or maintain the aesthetic by adding a simple sofa set. Either way, simple, small, personal touches is all you need.
Another plus point for the flatline layout would be the seamless flow from living to dining, which makes not only for easy entertaining but good when you're having dinner while the kids hang out in the living space.
The dining room could easily fit a 6 to 8-seater. If you're in favor of a more open concept style, again, just break down this wall and everything will flow right through from the dining kitchen all the way to the backyard. Let's check out the kitchen.
The kitchen is catered for families that enjoy eating in. The kitchen is divided into dry and wet kitchen. The built-in kitchen cabinets and island were all done during the homeowner's last renovation, so it's all still in very good condition.
It would be a shame to dismantle, so I think if you want a different aesthetic, perhaps you could just change the door, saving you carpentry costs. Over here is the wet kitchen. If you prefer a clear separation, what you could do is add some foldable or sliding doors here.
There is a helper's room with her own private bathroom tucked at the corner here, which leads you to the utilities area. I like that there's a little backyard area here that's used for laundry or could be ideal for those barbecue nights or alfresco dining while enjoying the breeze from the Bukit Kiara Forest Reserve just at your backyard. Maybe you could dress it up with some landscaping and furniture. Or keep it simple.
What I think is ideal about the home is that it sits on a high elevation. It is also not facing any houses, so parking is never an issue. At one point, the homeowners had 7 cars, but they never complained about the lack of parking.
There is another bonus downstairs with an attached bath that doubles as a guest bathroom. The homeowners use it as their home office.
Like all families, everyone could use additional storage, so there is additional storage tucked under the stairs. Over the past decade, TTDI 2-storey terraces have appreciated on an average of 1.5% per year. Slow enough to stay affordable, but strong enough to prove real demand. That's stability you can trust, not a bubble waiting to burst.
Between 2021 to 2024, prices grew about 2% per year, outpacing the 10-year average. This shows renewed buyer confidence and a post-pandemic preference for landed homes, a sign the market is heating up again. TTDI has only about 2,300 two-storey terrace houses and there's no new landed supply being built, all on freehold land. Here are 3 reasons. Number 1, high demand, stagnant supply. When demand rises but supply doesn't grow, prices climb steadily and quality homes sell quickly. Number 2, stable interest rates. Interest rates are stable, renovation costs have normalized post-pandemic, and inventory levels are still thin. 3, stagnant property market. With the property market relatively stagnant over the last 10 years across the Klang Valley, TTDI's terrace homes offer one of KL's best combinations of scarcity, livability, and resilience.
Buyers today have a narrow window before the next demand wave tightens that window. If you've been waiting for the right time, this might quietly be it. Let's head on upstairs.
Go!
The original staircase was parquet with the wooden balusters. These have since been upgraded with solid wood flooring and metal balusters for long-lasting effects. The master bedroom faces southeast, saving you from the afternoon sun heat. It is cozy with its own walk-in wardrobe, with a large bathroom and even a TV den right in the master suite.
The common area upstairs has been turned into a study, which I think is ideal and kind of nice because you're doing your work, but you can still be part of the family. However, if you do need to take private calls, you just need to close these sliding doors.
There are 2 bedrooms with a shared bath, both sizable as the home is 24 feet wide.
On the 3rd floor, there is a bonus master bedroom.
This is ideal for multi-generational living if your young adult children would like their own private space. This is ideal, or if you would like the master bedroom upstairs while the children are based downstairs on the 1st floor.
For those with young children, if you prefer that everyone is on the same floor, the top floor can be a TV den or a study, or a rompers room, which is perfect for entertaining, for children's activity, or just family bonding, and even just lounging around on a lazy Saturday afternoon. If you're interested to find out more, give me a call or drop me a text. Don't forget to head to our website for more TTDI options. I'm Yin Peng from Yin Homes, always happy to show you the place.